Hey, Commodore Macer, here we are on the bridge of HMCS Winnipeg. What are we about to see here?
It's a 57mm gun engagements against an air target. It represents a low, slow flyer. And so we're going to see a target coming in, and we have to run a certain profile, a crossing profile, so if we hit the target, it doesn't come in and hit the ship, which is a difficult shot when you do that. And we want to do it far enough away that if we hit the target, it goes in the water, not obviously the ship. And so we engage further out than we normally would for a low, slow flyer, but we're about to see two 10-round engagements of pre-frag high explosives against what's called a Vindicator Target operated by Kinetic. So it's a confidence builder in our teams down below. It's good training, and we're able to use this target to good effect.
Awesome. Thanks, Commodore.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
On the road, Vindicator is now inbound. Power clear. Or recommend 4x5 elbow shots on this one. Converting escape to the wall, probably 3,000 yards is our best bet here. Copy, 4 5-round elbows, and 3,000 yards open fire. No, let's put open fire at 5 and give ourselves time, and but 3,000 is probably the best bet. Or copy. We'll open fire 5,000 yards.
Roger. Vindicator inbound.
Yeah, it'd be sweet if we had a 500 CPS LS.
Yeah. Bridge, gun enabled, correct? Bridge, gun enabled.
Nope, gun enabled on bridge.
Once I tell you.
Make gun ready.
Make gun ready.
Gun on the bridge.
Gun ready.
Enabled on bridge.
Lon, can you mark the time in the notebook?
Unsuccessful.
Kinetic reports target hit. Target hit. Good job, team.
So I guess we're using it allowed me to actually hit it.
Oh, there you go.